What's up everybody, welcome back to my channel. Now I know a lot of you guys have been asking me what are some of the basics that I like to have in my kitchen to put certain dishes together. So I want to start a little series on this channel where I show you guys things like that. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys the staple ingredients that I would use to put my curries together. And I'm going to show you guys a step-by-step way on how to put your curry paste together for any type of curry, whether it be meat or veggies. The ingredients that I'm using today are very simple. I have some hot pepper, some ground garlic, some chopped pimento peppers, as well as some finely chopped culantro. I have my curry powder, some ground geera or cumin seeds, as well as some masala. If you guys want to see a really good homemade masala recipe, I have that on my channel already, and I'll link it in the description box down below. Now a quick word about the fresh seasonings that I'm using. The only things that are required for a really good curry are the hot peppers and the crushed garlic. I don't always add in the pimento peppers and the culantro, but I had them on hand, so I decided to put them in. Into the bowl with the culantro, the garlic, the hot pepper, and the pimento peppers, we're going to start to layer in all of our dried spices. So in this bowl, I'm going in with my curry powder. I'm also going to go in with my ground geera, and this is also something that I do myself at home. And I'm putting in my masala. Now once you add these ingredients in, you're going to go in with a little bit of water and you're going to form a paste. Now once you make this paste, this can be used in absolutely any type of dish. As I said before, you can make meat curries with it, vegetarian curries, whatever your heart desires. I would also like to mention that if you wanted to, you could add in a little bit of ground turmeric into this. A lot of people will put that into their curry when they're making it just to give it more of a bright color. But if you're looking for more of a dark curry, you're definitely going to want to follow this method and omit the turmeric. I hope you guys enjoyed this quick little demo today. Please don't forget to give this video a nice big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not subscribed yet, and leave all those comments down below. Let me know what other tips and tricks you would like to see and what other recipes you'd like to see. I'll see you guys again very soon. Bye everyone.